Hey everybody, welcome back. Sive is here with ForexPeaceArmy.com. Let's update our view on the gold market. In general, we said recently that we could get 2 or even 3 trades due to this retracement that we're getting right now on the daily chart, although the first trade probably is mostly done. So we said first that we have here strong support, some kind of the bullish stretch pattern that suggests a pullback. But yesterday we have discussed some preconditions for trading this setup, and it was not very comfortable placement for position taking. We said that it would be great if we will get slightly deeper retracement for position taking, but this retracement hasn't happened. So market shows some consolidation, triangle consolidation that we also talked about yesterday, and now it's keep going higher. So from that standpoint of view, this initial trade mostly is coming to an end because market now is going out of the daily oversold and entering this cluster, this wood of different fib levels. Correspondingly, we are coming to our second possible trade, and as we said, it might be downside momentum trade because overall momentum here is not bad, and theoretical market could try to make some retracement while some traders still think that this is a retracement, start selling down this, suggesting that this will be downward continuation. In general, I wouldn't say that it can't happen, because if you take a look at the geopolitical picture, and today we also will bring some new information about geopolitical conflict to our Telegram channel, because we are trying to make some posts through the day dedicated to the conflict, especially those that make the direct relation to the markets. We're not covering all aspects of this conflict. We are not interested in that. We have the economical channel, but some events, especially that suggest either de-escalation or de-escalation, might be really crucial for performance of the markets. That's why we're trying to keep an eye on it in general. So I will put update a bit later today. But what I would like to say is that at least minimum retracement here probably should happen just because of the strength of the moment. If on the 4 time frame chart, if you take a look, we're getting really great pattern. This is Gartley steeple to sell. Let's come into some resistance areas with this good ABCD pattern. Right now, the performance inside of the pattern shows real nice thrusting action. So you can see there's good candles inside of it. And once market will complete some target, we could start thinking about the position taking on the short side for a possible pullback. Currently, if you take a look at the hourly chart, with this ABCD, here's guys, by the way, our triangle. So ABCD breakout, OP stands at 47.15. I think that we could keep an eye on this level. It's attractive by the few reasons. First of all, it's OP. Second, you can see here with this breakout, market returns back above these lows. So it returns in this trading range. It means that reaching the OP should not become a problem for the market, as it already stands in this trading range. Finally, reaching the OP will put the price somewhere near 47 in this confluence resistance area, which will be very comfortable to deal with this, and let us to place stops just above the resistance area. Also, as on the euro currency, you can see this might be kind of the hand shoulder shape, although it's not as obvious as on the euro currency, not as bright, but still some pullback here could happen. So we suggest that it might be an area that we could keep an eye on for possible bearish patterns, bearish signals around it. That's what we have currently on the table. Later, on a bit more extended perspective, we will be watching for a pullback, and then we'll start watching what will happen around these lows. So what the patterns might be formed, whether we will get just downside continuation, or market start forming something reversal here for trigger some maybe deeper retracement. We will see what will happen. That will be our third trading setup. Currently, let's deal with this one because it's also interesting and has good potential, and I think that it's worth it to keep an eye on it.